Hello bachcho. Let us read the question first. Divide a given number a into the two parts such that the product of the pth power of one and qth power of the other shall be as greater as possible. So what we'll do here in this case, so first of all, we'll write the key concept first. Now we need to know that what is the key concept here. So the key concept is that first of all, we have to find the critical point. So because it is asked in a question that we have to find the greater possible value, it means, so how will find out the greater possible value, or we can say the maximum value. So suppose we have any function y is equal to fx, and we have to find the maximum value of this function. So what we'll do here? So first we'll try to find out the critical point of this function. So first of all, we'll take the derivative and we'll equate it equal to the 0. Okay. And then we'll try to find out the value of x after equating it equal to the 0. So suppose we are getting x is equal to x1. And then what we'll do, we'll take again derivative with respect to x again. So now what we'll do here, so now again we'll put this value into this equation. If this gives a positive value, it means it will be giving the minima at this point x1. And if it is giving the negative value, then it will be giving the maxima at this point. So what we'll do here, so first of all we'll write here the minima. It will be giving the minima here, and it will be giving the maxima here. Okay, so let's come to the question. So here it is given that the a is to be divided now. So the a is to be divided. So it will be, suppose we are considering x, and what will be it? So it will be the a minus x. And so let's take derivative. So first of all, we'll try to find out the x to the power. It is given already, x to the power p into a minus x to the power q. Okay. So what we'll do in this case, we'll take the derivative to find out the critical points. So let's take the derivative. So y dash of x we can say. So what we'll get here, so after the derivating it, so p into x p by x. We know that how we have to take the differentiation. So dot a minus x to the power q. Similarly, plus x to the power p into q into a minus x to the power q divided by a minus x. So now we'll simplify it, and then get y dash x will be equal to x to the power p a minus x to the power q into p by x plus q by a minus x. So now will equal to 0. सो अब यहाँ से क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले हम जानते हैं कि ये तो क्वेश्चन ही है, ये तो वाई ही है अपना, तो ये तो पॉसिबल हो नहीं सकता जीरो। तब ये पॉसिबल हो सकता है कि इट विल बी द जीरो बिकॉज इट इज द फंक्शन वाई, सो इट कांट बी जीरो, सो विल मेक इट इक्वल टू द जीरो. ओके, सो नाउ विल ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स. So let's find out the value of x here. Okay, so p by x plus q by it is a small a, not a capital. So sorry for the mistake. So it will be the a minus x is equal to 0. Okay. So after solving, what we'll get here? Pa minus px plus qx equal to the 0. So what we can say here? So we can say the pa minus x p minus q is equal to 0. And then we'll get the value of x as a pa divided by p minus q. So we can say we have the two numbers. So which one? The first number is x, that is a p into a divided by p minus q, and the another number was a minus x. So let's put up. So the x minus a can be calculated as x is this. So x will place this value at the x I p minus q minus a. So what we'll get here? So after simplifying it, we'll get the minus of aq by p minus q. So this will be the two numbers. Okay, one is pa by p minus q and the another is minus aq by p minus q. So it is not a negative, it will be the positive here. So what we can say here, finally we have found the value of the two numbers. Okay, the first number is pa by p minus q, and the second one is that aq by p minus q. So this will be our final answer. Okay, so hope you found this solution understandable. Thank you.